here's how to reset the oil light on any year of Scion TC. They're all going to be the same, and this is also the majority of Toyotas as well, all of your older ones. As long as you have this long skinny screen and that trip/reset button, this video is going to work for you. So first off, you want the key off. But what you're going to do is you're going to want to be able to turn the screen back on to the odometer. That's what's important. Okay, once you're at the odometer, that's when this starts up. So you're gonna hit the foot brake, you're gonna turn the key 2 clicks to on, and you're gonna be holding this trip reset button at the same time, all 3 of those. So let's do that. Okay, here we go. My foot is on the brake, my finger is on the reset button, and I'm turning the key 2 clicks. 1, 2. Automatically starts blinking as soon as it counts all the way down. 0, reset. All done. That's as easy as it is. Thank you for watching my video, guys. If you liked it, please hit that like button and also subscribe if you want to watch more of my videos. In my description, I do have referral links. They have referral bonuses and ways for you to save money in life. Just simple ways of doing the exact same thing you already do every day.